Only 2 or 3 people to clean that container for you.
Okay.
So the container is ready and ready for loading.
All right. Yeah.
And on behalf of the people of Vanuatu as well, we really appreciate and we really commend the government's efforts. Thank you, sir.
We'll let you know, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Oh yeah. Take the step and put the. Yes. Tunggu kita kau lagi. Kami mau menarik anak bertemu pemuda. We'll inform commission.
Yes.
So that they can pick it up. We want to use this in one call.
Oh, no problem.
Put the tablet here and then we can.
Sure.
I've talked about the 60-man team that's ready to deploy. So if we are going to deploy more people for the reconstruction and the temporary construction of schools, and we are looking for spaces. So we're looking at Malau, and then we'll head to Wenkoro very quickly, and then go down to Lekutu, and then from there we'll take the loop around Lekutu into Wenonu, into Kumbulau, into Welewu, and then come to Sabsab, see the FEMAX as well, and then back to Lamas. So that's the plan for today, because we want to decentralize and we want to establish some forward operating bases to minimize the costs and improve efficiency in delivery.
Okay. Simple things bang, or kita lang na kilin to it. As travel na dalam bus, isimen naman na kaya lin to take to ba. Orang naman. Put facility dan ko natin. Ito natin naman. But otherwise, kake chingoy ke? Post office, health, chikin ko na keno.
Sabi na kami push nga may kurbul.
Kurbul na nga.
Mintam na kinando
Yeah,
na
but kake.
point.
Atal mga sa we can go without the container. Iko katarang sini siya. We have 2 MSUs, the multi-storage units, the big ones that we can erect anywhere.
Oyo sa no. Purna sa rin ni.
So yeah, that's available now.